New day, new topic, oxidation, reduction, reactions. Oxidation and reduction takes place during a chemical reaction. We will discuss how it takes place, how the species or compounds are oxidized, how they are reduced, what does it mean by oxidation, what does it mean by reduction. Ready? Okay, let's start. Oxidation is the loss of electrons. If during a chemical reaction you see an electron is lost from a compound, it means oxidation is taking place. If you see there is a gain of electrons in any compound or molecule, it means reduction is taking place. And easy way to remember it, Leo goes ger. Leo, loss of electron, oxidation. Gain of electron, reduction. Okay? Let's get into details. Many reactions involve or seem to involve a transfer of electrons. When transfer of electrons takes place, one compound losing, one is gaining. So one is losing, oxidation is happening. Gaining, reduction is happening. And in reactions, if there is oxidation reduction, there must be reduction reactions. Like see, sodium participates in a chemical reactions. Sodium losing an electron gets positive charge. So what's happening on sodium? Oxidation, because sodium is losing an electron. Reduction, gain of electron. See, chlorine participates. What happens? An electron is being received, is being welcomed by chlorine, and chlorine getting negative charge. So that is reduction. This is oxidation. See, positive, oxidation, negative, reduction, positive, loss, negative, gain. To determine if what you have is a redox reaction, first rewrite the equations to include the oxidation number for each element. This is the most important steps. You need to know oxidation numbers. We will explain shortly. The oxidation number is the charge an element has or appears to have when combining to form compounds. Okay? Oxidizing and reducing. So element that was oxidized is part of the reducing agent. Similarly, if element reduced is a part of oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent always reduce, reducing agent always oxidize. What does it mean oxidize? Electron is being lost. When we say reduced, electron is being gained. Assigning oxidation number. Now these are the rules. All pure elements and homogeneous molecule, oxidation number is 0. Oxidation numbers. How we assign? Rule number 1. If I say sodium metal, its oxidation number is 0. Right? So pure element is always oxidation number is 0. Second, elements in group 1A, like the one where you see hydrogen on the top, their oxidation number is +1. but not for hydrogen. Hydrogen is +1 or -1. Group 2 +2. Ag plus zinc +2, Al +3, unless it is a pure metal. What does it mean? If it is a part of a compound, for example, if it is like that, then its oxidation number +3. If this is part of zinc chloride, then its number is +2. If Ag is in combined state with chlorine, then Ag is +1. But if it is pure metal like Ag, its oxidation number 0. Al, oxidation number 0. Zinc, oxidation number 0. That's what, unless it is pure metal. So if pure metal, 0, otherwise its charges is Ag +1, zinc +2, aluminum +3. Next, in binary compounds, second element, an ion charge. You remember an ion charge, negative. Oxygen, the oxidation number is -2. You already know when we had studied the periodic table. But if you see little g, gas, so then it means its oxidation number is 0. Okay. Now, hydrogen is almost +1. But if hydrogen gas, it means its oxidation number 0. Total charge of a compound is always 0. Remember this, memorize this, internalize this. Total charge of a compound is always 0. Simple problem. What are the oxidation numbers of the elements in Na2SO4? Let's see. Na2SO4. Check. Sodium is in which group? Group 1A. And group 1A, what is the charge? +1. Therefore, and there are 2, so 2 times +1, it should be +2. Oxygen. Oxygen is -2. This is not gas, this is not isolated. So -2 times 4 is -8. So if you add +2 and -8, it would become what? -6. Sulfur we don't know, but we know that total charge is 0. So how you can bring it 0? This sulfur charge is +6. Okay, so if anything not clear, you need more explanation, please don't hesitate to ask in comment section. What are the oxidation numbers of the element in Na2SO4? I already explained. One more time. Good? Okay. S in Na2SO3. I will do 2 and rest you will do by yourself and write your answer in the comment section. Na2SO3, so Na is +1 and there are 2, so it's +2. Oxygen is -2 and +3. -2 times 3, so it should be -6. So +2 -6 is what? -4. So sulfur should be +4 because we need overall charge on a compound is 0. So the answer should be +4. So now I will show you the solution, but I will not explain. If you don't get it, please ask me in the comment section. So +4 Mn. So what should be? Calculate. My answer is +7. If you don't get +7, ask me in the comment section. My answer plus 5. Plus 4 for carbon. Plus 3. My answer plus 6. Fe. This is iron acetate. So what is the charge? What is the oxidation number? Now we will not use the word charge. Plus 2. Okay? But again, I would urge you to solve by yourself first, then grade yourself and match your answers with ours. Not if you don't get it, ask me in the comment section. NH3 plus O2 NO plus H2O. So ammonia is reacting with oxygen. Oxygen. Is equation balance? No. We don't have to balance anyway. Rewrite the equation with the charges. So N is minus 3, H is plus 3. O, this is gas isolated from, so this is 0. N, oxygen is minus 2, so nitrogen should be plus 2. H is plus 1, and there are 2, so plus 2, oxygen is minus 2. This is step number 1. Okay? After writing these charges, what we're going to do? Determine the changes in the charges of each element. So nitrogen here minus 3, and here nitrogen changes to plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2, so what happened? Lost or gain? We know it gets positive when electron is lost. So it means nitrogen lost electron. So nitrogen is oxidized. Okay. C, second element. O, 0. And here O got what? Minus 2, minus 2. So when it becomes minus 2, gain or loss? Gain. So it means it's reduced. Reduction happens here. Got it? That's why we decide on a chemical reactions. It is oxidized or it is reduced. If there is species oxidized and one reduced, then it's redox equation. So this equation we just solved, this is redox equation because one is oxidized, one is reduced. That was a short and sweet story about oxidation reduction. That's all for the day. Don't forget to share this video if you like this. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do so now. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification for the new video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.